Creating a natural alternative to Viagra involves using herbs, foods, and lifestyle changes that are believed to improve blood circulation, boost libido, and support overall sexual health. These remedies are not guaranteed to have the same effects as prescription medication, and it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional before trying them. Here are some ways to make a natural Viagra at home using commonly available ingredients in 2025. 1. Ginseng. Ginseng, particularly ***Panax ginseng ***, has long been used in traditional medicine to improve erectile function. It is believed to increase nitric oxide production, which helps improve blood flow. How to use ***. Boil ginseng root 1 to 2 teaspoons in water and drink it as tea. Ginseng supplements can also be taken, but it's best to follow the recommended dosage on the packaging. 2. Watermelon citrulline. Watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that may help improve blood flow by boosting nitric oxide levels, similar to Viagra's action. How to use: eat fresh watermelon regularly, or make a refreshing watermelon juice. You can also try concentrated watermelon powder supplements that are high in citrulline. 3. Horny goatweed epimedium. This herb has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries and is believed to increase sexual desire and performance by increasing blood flow to the genital area. How to use: horny goatweed can be consumed as a tea or in supplement form powders, capsules. For tea, steep a few leaves of the herb in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. 4. Maca root. Maca root, a Peruvian herb, has been shown to enhance libido and energy. It is also said to balance hormones and improve sexual function. How to use: add maca root powder to smoothies, oatmeal, or water 1 to 2 teaspoons. Maca supplements are also available and can be taken daily for enhanced results. 5. Garlic and ginger. Both garlic and ginger are known for their circulation-boosting properties. Garlic can help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, while ginger stimulates the body and promotes overall energy. How to use: crush a few garlic cloves and mix them with honey or water to consume. Grate ginger and add it to hot water for a rejuvenating drink, or add it to meals. 6. Tribulus terrestris, a natural herb used in traditional medicine to boost testosterone and libido. Tribulus terrestris has been found to increase libido and sexual satisfaction in some studies. How to use: it is commonly available as a supplement. Follow the dosage instructions on the label. 7. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, especially with a high cocoa percentage 70% or more, contains flavonoids that can help improve circulation and enhance sexual function. How to use: eat a small piece of dark chocolate regularly. You can also make a hot cocoa drink using unsweetened dark cocoa powder and milk. 8. Healthy fats and zinc-rich foods. Foods like avocados, olive oil, and nuts. Almonds, walnuts contain healthy fats that promote testosterone production. Zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, oysters, and beans are crucial for sexual health. How to use: include these foods in your daily diet for better sexual health and hormone balance. 9. Exercise and lifestyle adjustments. Regular exercise, especially aerobic cardio and strength training, can improve circulation and enhance sexual performance. Also, reducing stress, getting enough sleep, and maintaining a healthy weight are key to overall well-being and sexual health. 10. Adaptogen herbs. Herbs like ashwagandha and rhodiola rossi are known as adaptogens, which help reduce stress, boost energy, and support sexual function. How to use: ashwagandha and rhodiola can be taken in capsule form or as an herbal tea. A simple DIY natural Viagra drink recipe. Ingredients: to 1 cup watermelon juice, 1 tsp ginseng powder or 1 ginseng tea bag, 1/2 tsp ground ginger, -1/2 tsp maca powder, 1 tsp honey optional. Instructions: 1. Blend fresh watermelon to make juice. 2. In a separate cup, mix the ginseng powder, ginger, maca powder, and honey if using with hot water. 3. Combine the watermelon juice and herbal mixture. 4. Stir well and drink daily for potential benefits. #important advice. Always consult with a doctor before starting any natural remedy, especially if you're already on medication or have underlying health conditions. Natural remedies may take time to show effects and might not be as potent as prescription medications like Viagra. Ensure you're following the recommended dosages for herbs and supplements to avoid any adverse effects. While these natural options might support overall sexual health and improve circulation, they aren't direct substitutes for prescription medications.